You're gonna love the 2018 Toyota C-HR. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this sporty C-HR, the small, bold crossover that brings convenience, practicality, and distinctive style along on every drive. You'll love its comfortable driver-focused interior, touchscreen infotainment tech, driver assistance safety features, and chiseled lines. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Convenient and comfortable, yet anything but ordinary. This C-HR grabs attention with its original style. Come and see for yourself when you take it for a spin. Our professional staff will make it the best part of your day.